Alright guys, we got this pocket door lock here. Never really seen one with a key before. Got the stubbiest little key you ever seen. Isn't that cute, eh? Anyways, we're gonna pick this thing open. See what that's like. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm just curious. I've never seen one of these before, so I'll try it. Mount it up in there. And grab a pick. And I think I just give it the old, I don't know, give it this little rake here. Tension tool here. Medium sized tension tool, and tilt this back a little bit. There we go. Put the tension tool in here. Get a little spritz. Just gives this, why not, you know, makes life easy. There we go. Just like that. There. Wipe up the dribbles. Alright. Now what we got is a smooth little wiggle rake here. Just see what this does here. A little deeper there. Oh, there we go. Fun.